Seajet 036 Endurance, the premium anti-fouling bottom paint for your yacht. Engineered with innovative hybrid technology, this paint combines the benefits of ablative and hard matrix, delivering outstanding performance and protection. With its high copper content, Seajet 036 Endurance is designed to withstand even the harshest marine environments. Its advanced formula ensures multi-seasonal protection with required film thickness. Whether you're cruising at a leisurely pace or reaching exhilarating speeds of up to 70 knots, Seajet 036 Endurance stays firmly in place, providing a smooth and efficient underwater surface. With its high solids content, this anti-fouling paint offers exceptional coverage. This revolutionary paint sets a new standard in performance and durability. Seajet. Seeing is believing.